Wright-Patterson Air Force Base hosted an open house, inviting local community leaders onto base to learn and see firsthand how Wright-Patt is dominating our nation's most strategic fight.
Thank you so much, everybody, for coming out. Been here 10 months. I feel like I know everybody in Dayton. I'm so glad to have this great relationship between the base and the local community. So there is no better partnership in the United States Air Force with the base and the community than we have here with Wright-Patterson Air Force Base in the greater Dayton area.
Dayton is Wright-Patt and Wright-Patt is Dayton. And having this turn out in a quick fashion tonight from the community, thank you. That's the least we can say. And to our airmen and to their families, thanks for all you do for Dayton, for our state, but more importantly for our country.
The event was aimed at fostering base partnerships with the community and its leaders. Guests were greeted to several static displays from the base first responders and were even treated to a demo by the 88th Air Base Wing Security Forces military working dogs.